Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of November 22nd through the 28th. This is the last full week of November and also the week of Thanksgiving. So I'm going to use a Thanksgiving themed kit. This is from Planner Problem. I think it's super cute. It's just called Thanksgiving Kit, but super fun, kind of cartoony. But I thought it was enjoyable. I like the fall colors, but I like that they're a little bit bright. I'm actually supposed to be in Phoenix for most of this week, so it's going to be nice to be able to use some kind of bright colors there. I did pull a bunch of washi to go with as well. I pulled these four. These two are from Dollar Tree, and then these two are from Amazon. And I'm definitely going to use these two as headers. And then I'm trying to decide between these two. I think I'm actually going to use the lime green as the third header. And then I pulled these four are from Michaels, and then this one I think might be from like Meyer or something like that. So I pulled all of these washi tapes as well. I think my plan is going to be, I want to use the leaves because I just feel like I always want to be able to use them whenever I can. I think my plan is probably, how does this fit? Kind of tight. So I'm going to have to just kind of like freehand all of this. So that's going to be interesting. But I think I'm going to use these two. I don't know if these two fit better. Not really. I think I'm going to use these two as my bottom washi. So I'm going to stick all those things down, all this stuff down, and then we'll come back and do all the interesting bits. All right, here's where we're at right now. It's looking super cute. I haven't whited these out yet. I don't even know if you can see them, but it's the holidays because I need a reminder that I should fill them in. Looking at these, I feel like these two go together, these two go together, these two go together, which leaves these two as the oddballs, which I realize are not like the most exciting to make as a quote box, but I don't know, it doesn't really bother me. So I'm going to stick this yellow one as my quote box. There we go. And then I'm going to put this brown one as Thursday here in the middle. As you might have noticed, my green washi is slightly too long, but it gets covered up, so we're all good. I'm going to take these other two brown ones and I'm going to put them on Tuesday and Saturday because I don't want all the brown ones right next to each other. I feel like we just need to divide it up a little bit, you know? So I'm just sticking them this way. Not really any particular reason. Just felt like it. And then I think I'm going to stick this here. And this one on Wednesday. There's the one for Monday. Done. All right, that's my full boxes. I did not really plan out my sidebar for this week, which is probably a bad idea, but that's where we are. So I'm just gonna see what I have in the way of functional stuff. I feel like the answer is probably not a lot. I could use like a habit tracker. Yeah, definitely not a ton of useful stuff, but it's fine. I'm gonna use this one. This is a little tiny baby checklist from a leftover from Planner One Love. And then I'm going to use, I think both of these. These are from My Planner Life UK. Also a leftover. And then since I have a lot of space, I think I'm gonna stick in some wider washi perhaps. Maybe I'll use these cameras. That seems kind of fun. So I'm gonna stick down some of this camera washi. It's like super wide, but that's fine. Not like I don't have the space. And then I'm gonna stick down one habit tracker. And then maybe a skinny washi. It's gonna be a little Christmas colors, but that's fine. And then the other habit tracker. There we go. Then some more of this camera washi. There we go. Then, do I have a header that works? I forgot to check for one of those. Let's see. It's like really bright. Let's use this brown one. It's kind of brownish. It says remember. Oh, it's a little bit too long. I'm just going to trim off the ends so that it fits a little bit better. Stick the scrippy scraps down. All right, put that there. Then I'm going to stick my little three pumpkin checklist like so. I do have longer checklists, but I really just don't have anything else I want to put in. So flipping it back over, I do have in my samplers a bunch of Thanksgiving themed sampler things that I've gotten from various shops in the past. I think these couple go the best. So I'm just gonna take a couple of these. This is from Perfect Prints Co. I'm just gonna use the Give Thanks and then the little turkey guy. There we go. All right, so that fills in the rest of my sidebar. I'm gonna leave this out because I'm gonna need it again in a bit. For the weekly plans, I am just gonna use 3 of these guys. I'm gonna skip the brown one because that's the most boring. I'm just gonna use 3 of these guys to mark work. I'm working a full day on Monday. I'm working a partial day on Tuesday, a half to 3/4 of the day. We'll see how that goes. And then I'm working a partial day on Wednesday, again, half to 3/4 of the day. So just want to fill all of those in. And then also on Monday, I'm going to have my plan with me go up. So I think I'm going to use maybe this. It's like a 3rd box-ish. I'm just going to stick that in. That's going to be for my plan with me. I don't like need anything there. You could use one of these from So Cute Planner. Since I've had these a while. Maybe I'll use this one with the funny hat. All right, that's adorable. Has nothing to do with my plan with me, but I don't care. Tuesday, no curling this week, so I've got nothing going on. Tuesday, I mean. I actually do have things going on. We're flying out in the afternoon. I just like blocked that from my mind, I guess. These are all my flight things from my shop. It's closed, yada yada yada. If you want these, just let me know, and I can post them in my Etsy. I still have an Etsy, I just don't use it. I think what I want to do, I'm trying to decide, do I use the brown, do I use a green, yellow, red, orange? I think I'm gonna use this orange one. So we have 2 flights on Tuesday, but I'm just gonna use one flight tracker. I think that's gonna be sufficient. Stick that in. Wednesday, no idea what I'm doing. Thursday is Thanksgiving. Excuse me, I'm just gonna drop everything. So I'm gonna take this Perfect Prince Co. and it has a thing that says Happy Thanksgiving. And it's in like the perfect colors for this kit. So I'm just gonna stick it in there. Is that even straight? That's the question. I don't think so. There we go. That's good enough. That's all I know for Thursday. We're probably just gonna make food and whatever. Friday is also super up in the air. Saturday, at the end of the day, I'm going to put in, I kind of want to use this green one, and I don't know why. It doesn't perfectly go, but it makes me happy, so I'm going to do it anyway. We're taking a red eye Saturday night, and then our second flight is going to be Sunday morning, so we can get home in enough time to actually get stuff done. So I'm going to stick that in there, and then Hanukkah begins at sundown. So I need to mark that somehow. I feel like I could put it in like a little box guy. There we go. I don't think any of these fall stickers have anything to do with Hanukkah. There's a little candle. Obviously not exactly the same kind of candle, but that's fine. I don't know if I have like a great fall sticker. I might just not use a sticker, and I think that's gonna be just fine. So I'm gonna stick these away, stick this to the side. That's gonna be for Hanukkah. Gonna call it good. So this is where we're at right now. I know it's super bare bones, but it's just kind of the way the week is going. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Super cute. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Planner Problem. I have 2 flags and this little quarter box left from there. So that'll go into my leftovers. This washi tape is from AC Moore. It's now owned by Michaels, that brand. So I guess from Michaels. These 2 are from my Planner Life UK leftovers. This washi tape, I think is from Amazon as a leftover. I'm not sure where this header came from, but it was a leftover. And then this is from Planner One Love. These 2 are from Perfect Prince Co. This washi, as well as this washi, are from Dollar Tree. This is from So Cute Planner. Piper Paper Company. This is a leftover from when my shop was open. I think these are from Plannerology Studio, as is this one. Another Perfect Prince Co. Leftover from my shop, I believe, when it was open. My Planner Life UK, my Planner Life UK. These 2 are from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. More of those leftovers from my shop. And then these bottom washies are from Michaels. And that's really all I have. So mostly tried to use the kit as much as possible. Love how it turned out. It's super cute and fun. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what you did for Thanksgiving. Obviously, you can see I went to Phoenix, but definitely excited to hear what everyone else did. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.